Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua here, returning to our tropical update, and this is the final update on tropical depression Vicky with international name Krovanh for this Sunday evening, December 20, 2020, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. So let's begin with our update. Here's the last Stormwatch track, which we issued together with Stormwatch number 4, the final one, around 7 p.m. this evening. And it's the tropical depression has moved out of the Philippine area of responsibility this afternoon and is now moving across the Kalayaan Island group and the Spratly Islands. It's still moving at west-northwest at speed of 18 or 15 kph, and it is expected to be pushed by the strong surge of the northeast monsoon more to the southwest, but it is expected to intensify briefly into a tropical storm, 65 to 75 kph, until it is expected to weaken once again into a tropical depression, and as it moves towards the southern coastline of Vietnam. So this tropical storm status will be just brief. Will be briefly for the next 48 hours. Okay, so this is now the final one. We will end now the update for tonight. Tomorrow we are going to return to our usual tropical weather update, or tropical analysis. And as we look at our fast animation, you can see here that the low-level circulation remains cloud-free. It remains exposed with most of its rain bands to the northwest because of the strong upper level winds affecting the system. Also here in the east of the Philippines, or over the east of the Philippines, the wind convergence has begun to dissipate, while a shear line or a tail end of a cold front continues to affect extreme northern Luzon, while the northeast monsoon is still affecting the same area, including the Batanes and Babuing Kabab Islands. Some rains and thunderstorms can be seen here over the areas of the Scarborough or Palatag Shoal. So improving weather will be expected in various parts of the country tomorrow, but again, in the afternoon or evening, there could be just the normal localized rain or thunderstorm. So here's the windy.com zoom in satellite animation to clearly see the cloudiness of the tropical depression Vicky, which is now outside of the Philippine area of responsibility. Some thunderstorms can still be observed across Mindanao, portions of eastern Visayas, and small portions of the Bicol region, while some thunderstorms brought about by the northeast monsoon can still be observed here across the Ilocos provinces. So far, that's the latest, and as we look at our windy.com pressure, rain, and wind forecast from the European model ECMWF, so by tomorrow 8 a.m., the tropical depression will be moving towards the southwest, while here in the Philippine Islands, some rains and thunderstorms can still be observed over the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley, while some scattered or isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will be observed over the Sulu Archipelago or Sulu Sea. During Monday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, still the effects of the northeast monsoon and some tail end of a frontal system will continue to bring some showers and thunderstorms over Cagayan Valley, particularly Cagayan. And on Tuesday morning, some improvement of the weather can be observed already over the Philippine Islands, with some smaller pockets of thunderstorms, especially over southern Palawan. And Tuesday afternoon, Some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms should be expected in some parts of the country, while the northeast monsoon will continue to prevail over the coastal areas of coastal areas of Cagayan, as well as the Kalayaan Island Group, Cagayan and Babuyan Island Group. Okay, and before we review is the graph set we issued this afternoon. So you can see here the once LPA is now tropical depression Krovanh with local name Vicky. Krovanh is a kind of tree in Cambodia, so that's the name of the tree. That's the name of the cyclone right now, a kind of tree contributed by Cambodia. And the northeast monsoon here affecting Northern Luzon with the tail end of a frontal system, and we have a wind convergence over central and southern Luzon, easterlies over the Bicol region, Mindoro, Oriental, Romblon, and Marinduque, as well as eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao. So somewhat the Philippine Islands is wet during the week before the Christmas Day due to the effects of the ongoing moderate to slightly strong La Nina climate. Okay, and that's it. That's the final storm update on tropical depression Vicky, and we will be resuming tomorrow once again our usual tropical weather analysis. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Be #TyphoonWiser, and thank you for watching my channel.